Guys, I wanted to just share this with you real quick. I seen a video of a gentleman that he was eating healthy and doing healthy things. He stopped using deodorant. So but he said on the video that he started using a lime. He'll put lime, a regular lime. You go to the store, you get a lime, and he said he used that, and it takes place of the deodorant. And when he said, I was like, yeah, right. That sounds like something so crazy and something so way out. So I actually took a trip, y'all, and I forgot my deodorant. So I was like, you know what? I purchased some, but I had a lime also. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna see how this lime is. The thing that I did first is just cut it open like normal. Only take you a slither. What I did first though, y'all, is I just put the lime up under my arms. No, don't do that. Put the lime on a paper towel so you don't get that skin and stuff on it, and just wipe your arms. And I'm telling you guys, it lasts for 2 days. I might start trying the lime. Let me know below, guys. Have you ever tried a lime replace of deodorant?